Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Get on your apron, because today we're going to be making color block paintings. Today, you'll need paint, paintbrushes, canvas, paper towels, and some water. This is what we're going to be making today. First, you're going to take your canvas. Mine is 8 inches by 10 inches, which I think is the right size. And then you're going to take your masking tape, and you're just going to put random lines with your tape all over your canvas. So I'll show you. Just take some tape. I just went down the middle, rip it. And I also like to go down the sides too, to make it look nicer. And then you're just going to fold it under. Like that. And then my second line could be like this. So I connected it to this first line. Then sometimes it'll overlap, so you might need to rip a bit off. But yeah, so you're just gonna do random lines with your tape all around the canvas. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. You don't want to put too many lines of tape, or else it'll look kind of crazy. You just want to do just a bit. Next, you're going to take your paintbrush, any size. I like to use kind of like this size, not too small, not too big. And then you're going to dip it in the color of your choice. I'm going to go with blue. And then you're going to paint inside of one of the blocks you made, like that. And if you get some on the tape, that's fine. Like that. And you can do one color in each block. You can repeat colors, like in the one behind me. So I want to also do some blue in here. I want to do this one blue. So I'm just going to cover that. So that's what I have, and then you can also do the sides. So if it's right there, I'm just gonna do the side. Like that, and then same with this part, because it is connected to that. I'm gonna get a little bit more blue paint, and then just do the side, like that. And I also recommend putting a paper towel down where you're going to be putting your canvas, so you don't get any paint on your workspace. So there's my blue. Next, you're going to wash that brush off. And then, or you can use a different brush, which is probably what I'm gonna do for now. And I'm going to use a little bit smaller maybe size brush. And I'm gonna do the color red. And then I'm just gonna choose a block and paint inside of it. And then I'm also going to get these sides too, since this one is on the edge. So that's one of my red blocks. I'm also going to do one right in here. And then I'm not going to have to worry about getting the sides, since this one's just in the middle of the canvas. And there's my red. Next, I'm going to do some purple with another brush. And I'm going to put it there, right in between the red and the blue. I'm also going to do a purple block right here. So there are my purple blocks. And then for another color, I think I'm probably going to do 2 yellows and a green. So let's wash this brush off, because I really like this brush. And I'm going to do this one yellow right here. And then finally, I'm going to do this top one right here, green. And then I realized I had a little bit of a triangle right there, and I'm also gonna do that green. So wash it off. And then dip it in the green. And there we go. Now we wait for this to dry. Now that the painting is dry, I can remove the tape. Now, sometimes if you're lucky, the paint will actually bleed through a bit. It'll make it look really cool, like a kind of like an ocean kind of design. And that happened to me today, so I'm really happy. Do you see that though? I really like when that happens. But this is what your color block painting should look like. And yeah, you can turn it either way to hang it up. I think I'd turn mine this way. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!